Good morning, students. Now, continuation of spheres. Problem is a sphere with of constant radius k passes through the origin and cuts the axis in A, B, and C. Find the locus of the centroid of the triangle ABC. Right. What is the given data? A constant sphere. A sphere. A sphere with constant radius. Constant radius k is given. This is passing through origin. Passing through the origin and cuts the axis. How many axes will be there? X axis, y axis, and z axis. Right? Three coordinate axes are there. The sphere with constant radius k passing through the origin and cuts the axis in ABC, right? Now this is O. The sphere is passing through this point and cuts the axis at the points ABC. Now we don't know the distance, no? This x coordinate, this distance between O and A is small a, this distance is equal to small b, and the distance is equal to small c, say, right? Now A is a point on x-axis, that means whose y coordinate and z coordinate will be 0. Now this distance we are assuming as A. Now therefore the coordinates of A is equal to A comma 0 comma 0. Similarly, what are the B coordinates? B coordinates are, since B is a point on y-axis, x coordinate and z coordinate is 0, right? This distance we are assuming as B. Similarly, C is a point on z axis whose coordinates are 0 comma 0 comma C, right? Now thus the required sphere is passing through the origin and also passing through the points ABC with constant radius k. Now we know the procedure. If you don't know the equation of a sphere, always let the equation of the sphere be the general equation. What is the general equation of the sphere? X square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0. This is always our required equation of the sphere, or this is the general equation. Now this sphere is passing through the 4 points, right? And if you substitute one by one point, what you will get? If you substitute x 0 comma 0 comma 0 in this equation, you will get d is equal to 0. Similarly, if you substitute capital A is what? A comma 0 comma 0, then what you will get here? 2ua plus d, right? Plus a square is equal to 0. If you substitute a comma 0 comma 0 in equation this one, that general equation of a sphere, you will get this relation. But we know that d is equal to 0. 2ua is equal to minus a square. Now u is equal to minus a square by 2a. A gets cancelled. U is equal to minus a by 2. Similarly, substitute B point in equation 1, right? What are the coordinates of B here? 0 comma B comma 0. Now if you substitute this one, what you will get? V is equal to, in the same fashion you will get, no, minus B by 2 you will get. Similarly, if you substitute 0 comma 0 comma 0 C in the given equation of a sphere, then you will get a relation W is equal to minus C by 2. You know U value, V value, W value, and D value, right? Substitute these values in this equation. What is this equation? This is our required equation of the sphere which is passing through the given points. Then what you'll get? X square plus y square plus z square minus ax minus by minus cz plus d value is equal to 0. This is our required equation of a sphere, right? Now, clearly in the problem given that a sphere of constant radius k, radius is given. To find the radius, first of all you have to find the center. What is center here? Minus of x coefficient by 2, that is a by 2, minus of y coefficient by 2, b by 2, minus of z coefficient by 2, this is center, right? Therefore radius is equal to, we know the formula, u square plus v square plus w square minus d. That implies u square is a by 2 whole square, v square is b by 2 whole square, w square is c by 2 whole square minus d. In this equation d value is equal to 0 minus 0. This is equal to what? K. Already given that a sphere with constant radius k is given. That means r value is equal to k. If you simplify this equation, what you will get? A square by 4, b square by 4 plus c square by 4 is equal to k square. Squaring on both sides, this root gets cancelled. Here you will get k square. That implies a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 4k square. You will get cross multiplication, right? Now we got a relation between a, b, c and k. Now what we have to find out in that problem? We have to find the locus of the centroid of the triangle. Now this is a triangle a b c whose coordinates are given a comma 0 comma 0, 0 comma b comma 0, 0 comma 0 comma c. We want the centroid. We don't know the centroid. Let the centroid of the triangle be x1 comma y1 comma z1. Therefore x1 comma y1 comma z1 is equal to, you know the centroid of the triangle. What is a triangle? Now sum of x coordinates by 3, sum of y coordinates by 3, sum of z coordinates by 3. Sum of x coordinates means 0 plus a plus 0. That means a by 3 comma b by 3 comma c by 3. This is the centroid of the triangle. Now comparing similar terms on both sides, right? Corresponding positions, what you will get? X1 is equal to a by 3. Now a is equal to what? 3x1. y1 is equal to what? B by 3. b is equal to what? 3y1. Now z1 is equal to what? C by 3, and c is equal to what? 3z1, right? Now you have to remember this formula. What is the centroid of the triangle in general? X1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3, z1 plus z2 plus z3 by 3, where x1 y1 z1 is the first vertex of the triangle ABC, and x2 y2 z2 is the second vertex of the triangle, and x3 y3 z3 is the third vertex of the triangle. Here the vertices of the triangle are ABC, right? Whose coordinates we know. Let the centroid of the triangle, we are denoting it by x1 comma y1 comma z1, right? Now equating corresponding places, that means corresponding coefficients, are, you can say, corresponding terms, right? Now we know a value, b value, c value. Substitute a value, b value, c value here. What you will get here? 3x1 whole square, 3y1 whole square, 3z1 whole square is equal to 4k square, right? Now simplify this one. 9x1 square, 9y1 square, 9z1 square is equal to 4k square. Now if you want locus of the triangle, then remove these suffixes, right? Now what you will get? 9x square plus 9y square plus 9z square is equal to 4k square is the locus of the centroid of the triangle ABC.